Want to turn your basic text, static images, or raw phone footage into stunning, high-quality anime and animations in just a few clicks? Today, we are diving into DomoAI, an all-in-one AI animation platform that's built to save you hours of complex editing. Whether you want to generate videos from text, animate a still photo, or completely style transfer your existing footage, this tool is designed to make the process incredibly easy. Let's start with how you can use it. Once you head over to domoai.app, you can start creating for free. One of the most popular features is video to video. This allows you to upload any existing video clip and transform it into an anime, cartoon, or realistic art style based on your reference. If you want to animate a still image instead, the image to video tool converts flat images into smooth, moving videos. You can even use the frames to video feature, where you upload 2 to 8 images and the AI generates seamless transitions between them. For creators looking to make characters move, DomoAI offers two powerful tools, character animation and talking avatars. With character animation, you can upload a static character and a separate motion video, like someone dancing or walking, and the AI will map those exact actions onto your character. If you need a talking head, the talking avatar tool lets you upload a script, generating realistic speech with perfectly synchronized lip syncing. Beyond that, DomoAI includes smart editing features to clean up your workflow. You can remove backgrounds instantly without a green screen, use motion and style references to guide the AI, and use the built-in AI upscaler to boost your final video and image resolution, with images going all the way up to 6K. If you ever run out of ideas, you can browse creations from their community of over 5 million creators and simply click Remix to apply those viral styles to your own content. Now, regarding user reviews, we don't have a large, independent database of external user feedback configured for this tool just yet. However, based on the sheer variety of features, from the GPT Image 2 editor to the easy style transfer tools, it's clear that DomoAI offers a highly versatile suite for creators who want to experiment with AI animation without needing advanced technical skills. If you want to try it for yourself and start turning your concepts into viral videos, head over to domoai.app. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try.